show you something that I believe, a new free website. You can create free websites on this platform and for all of 2025, and you can host them for free as well, which is a super duper bonus. You don't have to pay for hosting. The other thing is that there's a bunch of other tools. So here's your web pages you can create for free. You also can integrate um, the ability to sell. So you can integrate payment platforms. You've got integrated mail, email, which every website should have some way of capturing your prospects' email by offering them something. You've got group member, so if you want to create a membership site, you can do that. You've got group videos, so you can upload videos, or it integrates also with YouTube. You've got group blogs, so you can create blogs for your website, which I would suggest you do for SEO purposes, because your web pages can only do so much SEO, right? You can't target a lot of keywords that you may want to also target. So a blog is perfect for doing that. And Group Cart, which is another application for e-commerce, drop shipping, that sort of stuff. And you've got Group Webinar if you want to use that. Okay, let's have a look at group pages. Oh, let's have a look at the offer first, right? So this is the thing I wanted to show you, right? So you can run your entire business free for 1 full year, no credit card required. This is the premium enterprise plan that you're getting for free for a full year. So all those apps that I showed you, fully integrated marketing, sales, CRM tools, basically, which is an amazing offer. I haven't seen it before. I've used this platform for a while, and they've never ever offered this. So this is perfect for people that want to, check it out and see how it works and create as many websites as they want and variations to the same website really simply. Because that's the beauty with this. There's no risk on your part, and the thing is it's completely easy to do, which I want to show you quickly. So here's group pages. Now, here's an example of some pages that I've built, right? So this is my website, one of my websites that I've built, which is which links into the video. So the training one for videos, so people can grab, sign up for free enterprise training for leadership and management, your personal professional development, outsourcing and hiring, that kind of stuff, right? So you can view the details by going to other pages that I've built for these. So leadership and um, management mentoring on speed dial. So what kind of things does it teach you? Leadership, management, teamwork, communications, right? So this all links. So if I click on this, this will take me to the place where they can buy it. But in this case, they get it completely free for a little bit until I decide not to give it for free until I got enough people, students, giving me some positive feedback. But um, so here, leadership and management, they can actually buy that for $37 for that, for all of those modules that you just saw, or they can get this plan completely for free. So when I click on this one, for example, it takes us to um, the integrated, and this is what I was saying before. You need some sort of integration with a payment gateway, which everyone needs, and it's pretty hard for most people to do this stuff. But on here on this platform, it's so easy. So in this case, it's free. I've giving it away for free. People can put their details in here and get free access by just clicking on uh, signing up, clicking there, and it automatically adds them into group member, so they get the entire membership for free. Uh, Easy peasy stuff. And as you can see, the pages are pretty nice, really. So I can go to any particular page that I want to and show you. And I think you agree the pages are really nice, right? So here's some other things course in their course in the AI course that they get in future technology. So anyway, on to building your website. So let's go into Group Pages. We'll create a new site. So you can build stuff from scratch, right? You can use a blank template, which is easy to do. Or you can, get your creative juices flowing by creating, by selecting something that you think might fit what you want to do. So if I select this one, vegan, so it's a vegan food delivery service, but I want to import all of them, or I could just import the main page, right? So let's import all of them, and we'll call it Bob's Diner and Cafe. Start building. Automatically just brings everything over, and we can start building. So first off, I don't want this, right? I want to get rid of this thing. So how easy is it? Delete. Yes. Cool. Okay, now I want to stick a navigation bar at the top and go down here. I saw it often forms nav bars. There we go. I want something simple, not too complicated. Maybe something like this. But it's blue, I hear you say. But that's easy, right? So we can just go down, find out what our theme color is by just going to the background, click down here, and we know this is our theme color. So I just copy, go back up to here, select the entire block, and do the same thing. Just paste in that color. Paste it in here. Here we go. Now you'll see it appears in recent colors. So every time I have to update, I can just use recent colors. So here, the nav bar is a different color. Now I want to change it. So again, I can go into here, go down to here, and just update it with that color. I can add in a logo, my logo. So choose a logo. So do I have any nice logos? Not really. I'll use maybe this one. Select it, update. There we go, my logo's added in there too. I can change any images. So if I don't want this guy, I can just go to configure, choose. Now I can upload an image if I want to, right, from my computer, or I can, if I've already got one uploaded, I can just use one from here, or I can use free stock photos. So if I can say chef, oops, no background. Free stock photos, see if I can find any. Okay, didn't like that. Didn't like that at all. Chef. Let's just say chef. Okay, so I got, a bunch of chefs there. Maybe I can select that one. That's uploading, and it'll add it to my page. See, it's added it automatically, and then just select it and then update and close it. And it's going to add a picture in of those three chefs, or all those chefs, right? So you can update text really easily. So if I want to change any of the font, let's say the text, I want to make it bigger or smaller or whatever, you can just drag this to make it bigger or smaller, however big you want it. You can just click in here, get our food now. 100% best value money can buy something. So the text is just so easy. Prepared with passion and care. Okay, so that's how easy it is to change the text. You can see all this text here is, what do you call it? Got the sloping italics. You can just click on that and make it non-italic or italic and bold it, underline it all, whatever. You can, select part of it and underline only part of it. So if I just want to select taking our eating habits, right? And I just want to underline that part. Yeah, see, it's so easy to use. It's really easy. I showed you if I don't want a section, so I don't want this section, I delete it. Now, see how that's gone close to that? So I don't like that. I want to make the spacing bigger at the top between these two. I can just, use this to make how much space I want to provide. And then I can make this entire background the same color as the font earlier. So I can use that recent colors. There we go. Unfortunately, it's that same green. So let's make that white text. White. Okay, so let's change everything but that text. Steak. Yeah. So easy peasy to change stuff, right? If I want to add in sections, so I want to add a new section below here, I can choose it. Now, these are perfect for exactly what you need. So just look at the sections and just think, what can I do? Okay, what do I want to do? I want to stick in some menu items, right? So this looks good. So I'll stick that one in there. So I can say our menu. Oops, what did it do this for? Selection. Then I can change the pictures, put in menu item selections, update the name and a description about it, smaller description. Or I think this one already has something like that in here. So yeah, so we've got ones here and say I want to add more items, right? So I just select this entire section here. See, it's got a layout 3.3. There we go. So I can just duplicate that. So just duplicate it and again and again because I like that section. And then I just change the photos and there you go, information. Easy. So putting in, adding sections and paragraphs and everything's really easy. Say I want to add a video under here, right? So I'll do stick in some empty blocks. So I want to add a video plus some text next to the video. There we go. So it's going to give me two empty containers, right? So I go to elements, grab the media, chuck in a video player, go over here, throw in text and text. So I want title and paragraph. So I can put in here how our food is prepared. And then, write a blurb about how our food's prepared. Now, click on this, click on the configure settings. I can put in a YouTube ID. So, for example, if I go to YouTube and search for diner food prep. Okay, deep fried chicken. So maybe this is a video about how they prepare food, right? So I'll just get a copy of this website. Stop that, go back. I'll configure this, put in this URL. There you go. Put in this URL. And now this will actually play that particular thing. So you've got different platforms like Wistia, Vimeo, or you've got your Groove video platform. So if you've uploaded a video to Groove video platform, you can select it in here because you would have had already given it a category and a subcategory, and then you can select the video and then update and close, and Bob's your uncle. There you go. Easy peasy. And again, you can change the background color to match your theme really easily because now you've got your recent colors, and there you go. How easy is that? So we've done a fair bit here. We can do our pages. We can go here, our home page, and if I want to clone it, I can just clone it. This site, primary navigation. There we go. And I'm going to rename it to Bob's Cafe. There we go. Save your work before leaving. And you see, you notice now we've got Bob's Cafe in the header. It's that easy. It just adds them to the nav bar. But say I didn't want Bob's Cafe on the nav bar to show up. What am I going to do? Well, click on the nav bar, configure, and hide pages. So I don't want Bob's Cafe to show up. Update and close, and Bob's Cafe will disappear. Boom. Yeah, that's easy, right? No brainer. Yeah, you've got lots of blocks. You can add different alert bars and that sort of stuff to, for alerting your customers with countdown timers. You've got checkout forms. So, if you want to give your customer an offer, you can add the checkout forms to your page. Contact us pages you can build, make an appointment, that kind of stuff. Countdown timers individually, you can add. Download boxes. So again, if you're making an offer, footers, headers, you just got so much stuff that you can add in. So pricing, say I want to add a section in about pricing, I can just use one of these, and just change it. Edit it to change it to whatever I want. You can have whatever configuration or blocks that you want, and as you saw me before, just drag in the different elements into those blocks. Okay, that's about it for this session. It's been quite long. So hopefully you'll get the um, the free trial. I'll put in the description, the link in the description for you. I mean, there's tens of thousands of users that can help you out if you have any problems at all. But they have really great support. Their support team is just on the ball, and also, as I say, they have a Facebook page where they've got all their tens of thousands of users. So if you need help with anything, people can help you. They will ask you, what you need. Yeah, I can't recommend it enough, to be honest. And at the end of the year, if you want to keep it, the beautiful thing is they have a great offer. So what you can do is pay a one-time price, and actually have it forever. So yeah, if you don't like it, hey, just hang up, download your websites, and host them somewhere else. It's completely up to you. But you won't have wasted your time building the websites because you can reuse them elsewhere. Okay, that's it for now. Have a great 2025, and hopefully, I've shown you that free website builder and free website hosting for 2025, which is exactly what the title of this video was, and exactly what I wanted to show you. Give you a demo of how it all works. Okay, bye for now.